Section P6, Example 2. The focus of our Calculus 1 course is calculus, so it's derivative and integral. So we are not really trying to push very hard concept or calculation on trigonometry. And if you need more review on trigonometry, I just suggest you to work on section P6 and work on the exercise. We really are using basic concept of trigonometry. So if you're not very confident with trigonometry, you can relax. So in this example, we want to find the intercepts of the function f of x equal sine of x over 4 on the interval negative 8 pi to 8 pi. X-intercept, so what it means is we want to, so x-intercept is of the form x comma 0, so y will equal 0. We're really solving a trigonometric equation sine of x over 4 equals 0. Now how do we solve this trigonometric equation? Well, we usually will just isolate a trig function and a number for our trig function on the left side, a number on the right side, and then we use the calculator to help us solve this problem. So x over 4 is just arcsine or sine inverse of 0. So if you enter that in your calculator, you will see the number 0. So what it means? Okay, so what it means, if you look at the graph, and we are considering the entire x over 4 as the argument for now. Okay, so sine inverse of 0, so at the point 0, y equals 0, the angle is 0. But you also notice it's more than one root. If we look at the interval from 0 to 2 pi, we really have 0 and pi as the root. And if you're really looking at the entire periodic function sine of x, you will notice there are more roots, so you get negative pi here, negative 2 pi, and 2 pi. They're all roots. So what is the pattern? The pattern is every integer multiple of pi. So 0 times pi, 1 times pi, 2 times pi, and so on. So we really have sine inverse of 0 is really k pi, where k is any integer. So this is an entire solution for sine of an angle equals 0. Now this angle is x over 4. So in order to solve for x, we multiply both sides by 4. So x equals 4k pi, where k is an integer, is the entire solution for this trigonometric equation. But we want to solve it on the interval negative 8 pi to 8 pi. So in this interval, we really have negative 8 pi, and it's 4k pi, so negative 4 pi, 0, 4 pi, and 8 pi. So those are the x-intercept for the function sine of x over 4. Now, if you're not sure, okay, please use our graphing calculator to graph this function. And you also see these are the x-intercept in that interval.